What is happening, guys? Gary Jahman here, back at it again with a new video. Hope you're doing well, hope you're safe and happy. So today we got some exciting stuff. We got here the Sigma 85mm f1.4 DGDN. These nuts. So for your Sony E-mount camera, let's unbox this together. So here it is, guys. So excited, and I'm gonna use this for a photo shoot that I'm going to have in a couple of weeks with a famous Dutch DJ. That's right. So I was like, let's test out a new lens. Why not, right? Just to spice things up. Oh, it's quite heavy, guys. Always nice to have some kind of pouch. Ooh, ooh la la. Oh my goodness. Does it come with a lens mount? Lens mount. Cannot speak anymore with the lens hood. Here's the lens hood. Ooh, look at this. All right. Let's put this aside real quickly. That is a huge lens hood, by the way, guys. The front element. The most beautiful thing about a lens. Let's go. Whoa, ho, 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 ho. Wow, look at this. Wow, this is next level type of stuff, guys. This looks very, very promising. Ooh. The quality is just dripping off this lens. Aperture, click off, click on. Right? Oh, here's it. Autofocus, manual switch, customizable button. That is really, really nice, guys. It feels so good and it looks so beautiful. Just look at it. It's time to switch things up. I'm gonna put it on the Sony a7 III and then you can see how it is 85mm f1.4 with a talking head kind of stuff. So let's switch things up. All right, guys, f1.4, 85mm. I have to put it all the way to the back, but you can see me really nice and sharp. I think you can just see me nice and sharp, right? So let's do a quick autofocus test. Put something in front of my face. Bam. Does it work? Ah. Yeah, it works. It works. It looks pretty cool. Here are some first shots as well, because I'm gonna take some first shots with this lens right after this video. Of course, after this video, but you will see the first results right now whilst I'm talking. What do you think about the quality? For now, for me at least, how it looks on the camera, it looks really, really good. But just the lens itself also is very, very promising and very excited as well. And look at this lens hood, guys. It's almost as big as my head. Whew. Exciting times are coming. So, as always, guys, stay safe, stay healthy. Subscribe to the channel if not already. Like the video, comment down below what do you think about this lens. And I'll be seeing you in the next one. Good luck.